Most people in the UK think that tax is just something that happens to them. You work your hours, your boss takes the tax out automatically, and whatever lands in your bank account at the end of the month is what you assume you're entitled to. No questions asked. But what if I told you that for millions of people, that number is wrong? Not because your employer is trying to cheat you, not because HMRC made a dramatic mistake, but because the UK tax system is built on estimates. And when those estimates are off, you're usually the one who loses. Under PAYE, the tax you pay each month isn't a final calculation. It's a prediction. And if that prediction is too high, the system doesn't automatically rush to give you your money back. Instead, it quietly keeps it, which means a huge number of workers are unknowingly giving the government an interest-free loan with their own hard-earned cash. Money that could be paying bills, covering food costs, going into savings, or simply making life a little easier right now. And the worst part, most people never check, because they don't even realize there is something to check. Today, we're fixing that. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people overpay tax, why it happens far more often than you think, and, most importantly, how to reclaim what you're owed. We'll go through the 5 most common tax claims that UK workers miss every single year. These aren't niche edge cases. They apply to ordinary employees, part-time workers, people with more than one job, and anyone who's had even a small change in their working life. I'll also explain the less obvious rules for 2024, the ones HMRC doesn't exactly advertise, including how changes to working from home, job expenses, and tax codes are catching people out right now. Then I'll walk you through the HMRC personal tax account step by step on screen, so you can follow along and check your own situation. No accountants, no phone calls, no complicated forms. Just a clear process you can do yourself in under 15 minutes. We'll cover why your tax code might be wrong even if you've never changed jobs, how having 2 jobs, switching roles, or getting a pay rise can trigger overpayments, what expenses you can legally claim back, even if no one ever told you about them, how far back you're allowed to claim refunds, yes, it's multiple years, and what happens when HMRC already knows they owe you money, but won't actively tell you. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how to check whether HMRC has already issued you a refund, sometimes in the form of a check or payment sitting there unclaimed, because you didn't log in and look. This isn't a loophole.